Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another amazing software for you called ChatBot. ChatBot in a nutshell is a software that is going to help you launch your own very own AI chatbot application just like ChatGPT and start selling it within no time. That means you will be able to use this very ChatBot application to actually create chatbots in different social media handles on the internet, and you'll be able to sell this facility and this capability to others and make money on your own terms. This is an amazing one, and it's going live today, the 8th of April 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, and it's being launched by my friend Venkatesh Kumar and Jaideep. And of course, like I said, if you at any point in time you make up your mind on the course of this review to buy this product, you will see the first link below in my description area. That link will bring you, if you click on it, it is going to bring you to the bonus page of mine where you can pick up a copy using this one or any of the other links scattered all over here. And let us actually go into revealing some of the things I have for you for this very review. If you stick with me, I will show you the bonuses that I have for you, 2 pages of them, so that you can see how this is going to benefit you to complement the ChatBot as an instrument that is going to help you create chatbots that you can use on different social media handles in order to drive traffic. And of course, it will also help you sell this very app with license to others who are interested in getting chatbots for their businesses. Okay, it could be a chatbot that is going to be there so installed on your website, which can actually chat with people based on their needs, as long as your marketing or anything you have out there online is concerned. So in my own assessment, I think it's one that you may consider to use to make money starting from today actually. So now let us go straight into the sales page and see. If you stick with me also, definitely I will show you the very dashboard area and also see if we can play the demo video of this product in action so that you see exactly how it's going to help you. Okay, now this is the sales page which you will have access to, because anytime you enter this, click the first link in my description, it brings you to my bonus page. You click this link, it's going to take you to the sales page where you will definitely see a link similar in color again that is going to help you pick up this one. This very link, if you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. Okay, now let us read through and see some of the benefits with ChatBot. First thing is that it helps you create and launch your own chatbot like chatbot app in just 1 minute, and you can with this create unlimited content and generate AI images for your business in minutes. No need to pay any monthly fees to any AI apps again, and you can also start making profits by selling your own ChatGPT app services, and you have full commercial license included, and you can sell lead generation services to clients, and you have 100% beginner friendly, no coding or technical skills are required, and you pay one time and use it forever. Okay, and it says it has world-class customer support 24/7. You have a fully cloud-based system and a secure server, and you can actually have this with a money guarantee for 30 days. So you have absolutely nothing to worry, because this one provides you business in a box from what I'm looking at and what I saw on the members area. You will see exactly that, and it will help you set it up in 3 steps. The step 1 will be to log into chat-based application, which is exactly this, and then of course you take the second step, which is to create your own AI chatbot app in just 1 click, and then step 3, you start making unlimited profits using your own very strategies, which you are going to get from the training, which you are going to see shortly. Okay, so these are some of the claims for income proofs for this very chatbot because of the beta testers and all that. So you can see exactly the strategy they are using and how much it's generating for them on a daily, weekly basis, and that means you will be able to avoid some of these things you pay on a monthly basis, subscriptions and yearly basis. Make Journey, Jasper, Writer, all of them, Killbot. I have all these ones, and you pay money to actually get them work for you, but this is going to actually help you one-time payment of a fraction of those, and then you'll be able to have it as your own forever and ever. And of course, we will not spend a lot of time on this very sales page so that you'll be able to actually have access to it, go through it and see if it's going to work for you. But I think the intention here is very simple, to help you create chatbots that you can sell and also use in your own business. So I think it makes sense to me. It's WordPress ChatGPT killer app that lets you use your own ChatGPT-like chatbot, create and launch your own chatbot-like chatbot in 60 minutes or less, 60 seconds or 60 minutes or less, and you take control of your online business by owning ChatBase. So it's basically very, very intuitive of Babbage to do this, because I know it may go a long way to actually help a lot of people. But I will leave that judgment to you when you arrive here and read through and make up your mind. This is against the demo video, which I will make sure we play if it's possible, if you have time for that, and then you'll be able to see the reasons why you're actually going to need this. Reason 1, reason 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I mean, it makes sense. Apart from creating unlimited AI content and generate AI images without any restriction, it also helps you build your own chatbot application in just 1 minute. And I mean, it's very, very good. It sounds very, very good. So that's basically what you have on this sales page, and I'll leave the rest of the review for the sales page when you arrive here, so that you will be able to know if this is going to be one you are going to use to launch your business and probably start making money the same day. Okay, so that's what we have for the sales page. And now let us see what my bonus page says, as long as the very definition of what this means for you and also a pricing. Now the front end goes for $17, and you have access to this very dashboard area as a member. And of course you have the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited, goes for $32. You have the OTO number 2 for $37. You have also the agency OTO number. The OTO number done for you, it goes for $197. Everything is set up for you in this very upgrade. And you have the OTO number 4, the AI profits, it goes for $37. You have the agency as OTO number 5, it goes for $47. And you have OTO number 6, Fortune 500, goes for $27. And you have OTO number 7, which goes for reseller, it goes for $67. And you have also OTO number 8 for $47, and that's called limitless traffic. And here are the basic benefits you have with this one. But before we go into the bonuses that I have for you today, stick with me, my friends, and let us see the very dashboard area. Now you have the social media writer. If you click it, it will give you the opportunity to tweet generator and Instagram hashtag, Facebook post, Quora answers, and LinkedIn. These are what you link up with this very social media writer. It can write your contents, which you can actually use to get the attractive people that actually need to patronize you. And here you have email content, email content generator, and email subject lines, and cover letter. So everything is basically there. And you have also blog content. If you click on that, it will give you how to arrange your blog intros, blog ideas, and blog outlines, and of course your blog post. So you have everything there to generate all these things. You have article rewriter, which can rewrite your articles. In case you have one that you have done before, you can always put it inside here. If you click this button, it's going to take the article writer, story generator, article writer, and grammatical error fix, and production description, product description. So everything is buttoned up there for you. And you have website SEO content, website title, meta description, and meta keywords. These are also available, and you can have the ad content as well, and YouTube content, and image generator, and audio to text possibility. And these ones are of course for pro. And here you have the transactions and history. So basically you have everything that you need to actually create the incentives for ChatBees, and you'll be able to have all of them. Now let us play the video for the demonstration of this very material and this very software in action. After that, we'll look at my bonuses and call it a day on this one. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mike, and now let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number 1 will be an automation system that can help you make 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. You have also my bonus number 2 as 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, and you have my bonus number 3 as the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 links that will give you different tools online that you can use in your constructions and your ability to make money online. And of course, you have the number 4 as access to the money traffic, which will help you make money on demand by using email marketing services. And you have also my bonus number 5, which is a product vault that has 17 amazing bonuses, which comprise of training courses and softwares which you will be able to use to make money online. Now, at any time you make up your mind with this one, if you click this link, like I said, it's going to take you to the sales page where you find a link there to actually get a copy for yourself. This very link will take you to my Warren Plus account. When you buy this product, after your purchase, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks like this. This button gives you access to ChatBot, and this blue one gives you access to these amazing bonuses. But I have a second page of bonus for you, which is going to actually blow your mind, but that one will come by email eventually when you pick up this one with my link in my description, the first link. Now look at what I have for you. 10 of them: the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, which is going to help you immensely, and you have the list building expert as number 2. You have also internet marketing fast start. You have affiliate marketing secrets. You have 30 days to bigger email list ebook. You have chatbot marketing mastery, which complements completely with ChatBot, so that you'll be able to actually, while you have this product, use this chatbot mastery, marketing mastery, and see how you can strategize in a way to actually maximize your profits using ChatBot, either selling or on your business. Of course, you can have it installed on your website to actually chat with your clients and audience, so it makes a lot of sense. And this one is number 7, building the perfect sales funnel. And you have also blogging for profit, and you have email list building blueprints, and also copywriting crackdown, which will compete with chatbot copywriting capabilities for all the different social media, including LinkedIn and all the rest of them. Okay, so that's massive for you, and this is exactly where we are going to begin to call it an end to this one. If you are new to my channel or a returning customer, I encourage you to always like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I'll be back to you definitely in my next review. Till then, and remember your mic in the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here guys, it's goodbye.